What is going on? My name is Zachary, and today I will be showing you the fastest and simplest way to connect your OpenAI Ads Manager directly to your Shopify store. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I noticed when I was trying to connect my OpenAI Ads Manager to track conversions on my Shopify store is that it's super complicated for no reason. So what I did was I actually went ahead and made a free Shopify app that you can install onto your Shopify website that kind of handles all of the steps for you. So come over to this OpenROAS app that I created, click install, then it will prompt you to install it onto your Shopify store. You can go ahead and click install. And then it will take you into this tab, which is the setup guide, right? So step one, the first thing you're going to want to do is paste your Pixel ID and your Conversion API key from the OpenAI Ads Manager. So come back over to your OpenAI Ads Manager, come over to Tools, and then Conversions. And first things first, what you're going to want to do is create, and then Data Source, and then you're going to create your first pixel. This is actually my second pixel, so I'm just going to call it that. And then you can go ahead and click Create. So now this is going to give you your script code, pixel ID, event call measure. All you need from here is just your pixel ID, which you can copy and then paste directly into your Shopify app right here. Then you're also going to need your Conversion API key, which you can get by Xing out of that. Go to Conversion Keys right here, create new key. I'm going to call it second key, create. Now that gives you your Conversion API key. You can go ahead and copy that and paste that into there. And then install Pixel. So once you create your pixel, come up to here again and click Conversion Event. For the base event, what I would recommend is order created is what you want to track. For data source, you're going to want to click the pixel you just created, and then 30 days is fine for the attribution window. Then you can go ahead and click create. Nice. Now you can see the pixel is installed as well as the Conversion API key. And what we can do is also send a test event to make sure that it validated. OpenAI validated the Conversions API connection in an event format. Sweet. Next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you turn on store tracking. Sometimes it defaults to turning on, but if it doesn't, just click open the theme editor right here. And then make sure that this is just clicked on. You may have to click save up in the top right hand corner right here. If this link isn't working for whatever reason, what you can also do is come over to your online store, click edit theme, then come over to app embeds, and then it should pop up here as well. On the pro plan for the app, if you do want to just create your OpenAI ads directly from Shopify, what you can do is paste your OpenAI Ads API key directly into here, and then you can connect it, and then you'll be able to create all of your ads through Shopify instead of having to go back and forth from OpenAI Ads Manager. To get your API key, come over to OpenAI Ads Manager, come to Settings, API Keys, create new key, name it whatever. Then it'll give you the key again. You can copy it, come back here, paste it, connect. Then it will connect, and you can see it's got my account on there as well. If you want to make sure that you cover all your bases, what you can do as well is add OpenAI's official browser pixel. Most of the tracking is handled by this Conversion API, which isn't blocked by stuff like ad blockers. But if you do want a good backup, what you can do here is open up this section right here, copy the pixel code, come over to Settings, Customer Events, then add a custom pixel, name it whatever you want, Conversions for OpenAI, add pixel, remove all this, and then just paste that in there and save it. Then once you have everything in there, what you can do is come here to run setup test just to make sure that everything works. Perfect. Nothing is broken. Items marked as need attention, just haven't seen real traffic yet, right? So we can see the OpenAI ads connection is passed, order access is passed, score tracking is passed. Click tracking and order attribution are not passed yet. This is basically to that if you create ads through the pro plan on the Shopify app, it does add one other layer of tracking as well. using UTM tags on the ads that you create. So if you do want to test these, what you can do is grab this tracking tail right here, and then just go to any product on your store and do a test order. All right, so I am on this product here, and what I'm gonna do is just paste this tracking UTM directly after the product URL. Then I'm gonna go through and purchase. I'm gonna make sure this is actually still on there. Go through and do a test purchase. Check out now. Sweet, order confirmed. So now if you come back over to your dashboard, you may need to click Run Setup Test again, right? Now we can see that the click tracking is passed, and then the order attribution still needs attention because we actually haven't gotten any orders from the actual OpenAI ads yet. So once an order actually goes through, then that will go to pass as well. Awesome, well thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this video at all, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like and subscribed. And anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.